How to use Pi coins to buy something already now. Can you imagine using Pi coins to buy something? Well, over the past years, the project hasn't been able to materialize into something special. All this talk may seem nothing more than a rumor to you. If you have the same thoughts, watch the video till the end to be blown away. Welcome to Cryptonomics. The channel has all the information you will ever need about cryptocurrency. On this channel, we talk about all the projects and news about cryptocurrency so that you can make the right investment. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use Pi coins to buy something right now. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel and turning on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time we upload a new video. Remember, this is no financial advice. Before starting the video, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Now, it's likely that half of all Pi network users are still waiting for their KYC verification to be approved if they even submitted it in the first place. The enclosed mainnet has been up and running for a while now, and the number of pioneers who have unlocked some or all of the balance is also growing daily. As a result, more and more social media posts show transactions between pioneers. Even though some of them are probably not true, that doesn't change the fact that after years of waiting, the Pi network has finally reached a point where users have a real cryptocurrency in their wallets that runs on the Pi blockchain instead of just seeing a random number in their Pi network app. Sure, Pi isn't listed on an exchange and probably won't be till we reach the open mainnet. It is against the rules to sell or buy Pi coins in exchange for other cryptocurrencies, but the community is already highly active. While many people are attempting to spend their Pi coins, others are trying to obtain more by accepting Pi as payment. Before we talk about where and how you might be able to spend some of your Pi coins or sell goods and services in exchange for Pi coins, let's look at where and how you might find a counterparty. I would, however, like to point out that if you are already planning to buy your new house, Mercedes, Rolex, or PlayStation 5 with the coins you have accessible right now, you will most likely be disappointed. But suppose you're searching for something smaller, like a game for your Nintendo Switch, some Pokemon cards, someone to help you build your computer, or even to pay for groceries in some locations. In that case, you'll be pleased to find that hitting a button once daily will allow you to pay for some of those things. Anyway, without further ado, let's look at two areas where you can hunt for suitable counterparties for your trades. The first platform is the Pi Lifestyle community, which has its own mobile app and a growing Discord community with 20,000 members at the time of recording from around the world. The community has a few rules to obey. If you want to join, correctly read the FAQ channels on their Discord server first. And after you're familiar with how things operate, you can browse the many storefronts on the Discord server, where each vendor has their own channel to offer their items and services in exchange for a Pi. Aside from that, you can use their mobile app's barter section to post what you're searching for or locate things and services that might interest you. You can proceed with the transaction once you've identified someone to trade with, either as a buyer or seller, and agreed on the details at the recording time. This implies you must swap your wallet address with the other party and manually complete the transaction. But I'm sure that over time, the apps and Discord community of the Pi Lifestyle community will add features that will make the process easier if all of that is too hard for you or you just don't want to deal with Discord and separate apps. The local Pi forum on reddit.com is another location you can go to identify the suitable counterparties for your Pi transactions. You can filter by flair to see only the products and services offered there. You can also make your own post and mark it as warranted if you're looking for a specific product or service, or for sale or service available if you're offering the product or service in exchange for Pi. The only rule in the local Pi is that all transactions must happen in person, and shipping is not allowed at the moment. It is also possible that you will find the product you want. Still, the vendor is in another country and cannot sell it to you. Still, the flow is similar to how things work in the Pi Lifestyle community. The primary exception is the in-person aspect. So, once you've located the perfect counterparty for your transaction, all you have to do is agree on when and where you'll meet and then trade the goods or services for Pi coins once you're there. That's all for now. Even though it doesn't look like much, the Pi coins in your Pi network app have grown significantly in the past few months. That's only a number in the app and not yet a cryptocurrency in your actual crypto wallet. It's a terrific way to get things started and demonstrate that Pi has a purpose and is being adopted by a rising number of people worldwide. Thank you for watching. I hope all the shared information will be helpful for you all, and if you have any questions or doubts, please leave them in the comments section. I will try my best to sort out your confusion. Till then, stay tuned, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative content.